Number 1 Shoebill, Baileyniceps rex. Shoebills are large, stork-like birds that can grow up to 5 feet tall. They have a distinctive, shoe-shaped bill that they use to catch fish. Shoebills are found in East Africa, particularly in swamps and marshes. They are known for their unique appearance and are sometimes called the whale-headed stork. Shoebills are considered vulnerable due to habitat loss and hunting. Number 2 Hoatzin, Apicicomus hoatzin. The Hoatzin is a unique bird found in the Amazon rainforest. It is known for its distinctive odor, which smells like fresh cow manure. Hoatzins are sometimes called stinkbirds because of this smell. They have an unusual digestive system that allows them to ferment food in their crop, similar to a cow's stomach. Hoatzins are also known for their clawed wings, which they use to climb trees and move around in the forest. Number 3 Superb Lyrebird, Menura novi-hollandii. The Superb Lyrebird is a large, ground-dwelling bird found in southeastern Australia. It is known for its incredible ability to mimic sounds, including other birds, animals, and even human-made sounds like car alarms and chainsaws. Superb lyrebirds use their mimicry skills to attract mates and establish territory. They are also known for their elaborate courtship displays, which involve spreading their tail feathers into a lyre shape and dancing around. Despite their impressive abilities, superb lyrebirds are considered vulnerable due to habitat loss and hunting. Number 4 Secretary bird, Sagittarius serpentarius. The secretary bird is a large bird of prey found in the savannas of Africa. It is known for its distinctive appearance, with long legs, a hooked beak, and a crest of feathers on its head. Secretary birds hunt on foot, using their powerful legs to stomp on snakes and other prey. They are also known for their ability to catch birds in mid-flight and forage for insects and small mammals. Despite their fierce hunting skills, secretary birds are considered vulnerable due to habitat loss and hunting. Number 5 Andean Cock-of-the-Rock, Rupicola peruvianus. The Andean Cock-of-the-Rock is a brightly colored bird found in the Andean cloud forests of South America. It is known for its distinctive appearance, with bright orange feathers and a large, fan-shaped crest on its head. Andean cock-of-the-rocks are social birds and gather in large groups to perform courtship displays. During these displays, Males compete for the attention of females by singing and dancing, showing off their bright plumage and performing acrobatic feats. Despite their impressive courtship displays, Andean Cock-of-the-Rocks are considered vulnerable due to habitat loss in hunting. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring. Subscribe. World Identify.